In this tutorial, we're going to go and do an overview of the customer appointment section. We're going to go from start to finish on how to create an appointment. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to select appointment from the main menu. We can also select appointment from the side menu, adding a customer. Now let's just select the date of that appointment. It also requires a time. Remember, you can always update this information later on. If the user decided to change the date of the appointment, he could always request a new date, or you could just update the time and date. Alright, so now we're just going to select our device, iPad Pro. And what type of appointment is it? Is it a repair, software update, warranty, or other? We want to add some notes to this. The device needs screen repair. And an average of how long will the appointment take? Average 30 minutes. Submit. Now that we created our appointment, let's go to the appointment and let's see the details. Alright, since we created a repair type, as you may see, we have create repair, so we can link a repair to that specific appointment. It already comes with a few information filled out, such as the customer name, the device, and notes. You can update this if you want to. And let's just continue and fill out all the other information that we need for a repair. Assign this repair to a technician. Everything else is the same. Alright, so let's go and submit this repair. So now we linked a repair to an appointment. So whenever we go back to the appointment, we can always decide to view repair, or we can also view the repair in the repairs section. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Feel free to go to the App Store and you can download RepairSpots and you can start your free 30-day trial. You can also go to our social media and view all the content that we have there to offer. We're always posting updates on new releases and new features. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at info@repairspots.com. Thanks for your time.